Welcome to the PMI PgMP certification overview. After watching this video, you'll be able to describe the PMI PgMP certification and summarize requirements to attain a PMI PgMP certification. The Program Management Professional PMI PgMP certification is a credential offered by the Project Management Institute PMI for professionals who manage multiple complex projects. It shows that a program manager can manage and direct multiple projects, handle different priorities, and achieve the organization's objectives. The PMI PgMP certification can be very valuable for project and program managers. Here are some specific benefits of the certification. Shows that you have advanced program management skills and expertise, which can improve your resume and help you succeed in your career. Increases your chances for higher-level roles and responsibilities. Employers see PMI PgMP as a significant credential. Certified professionals often earn more. According to the PMI salary survey, program managers with a PgMP certification can earn 10 to 20% more than their non-certified counterparts. This percentage can vary depending on the industry, location, and individual experience. The certification prepares you to deliver strategic projects more effectively. You will gain skills to complete programs on time, within budget, and with better stakeholder value. Here is an overview of the requirements to qualify for the PMI PgMP certification. You will need a bachelor's degree or global equivalent, or a secondary degree like a high school diploma, associate's degree, or global equivalent with more extensive experience. The experience required depends on your educational background. With a 4-year degree, you should have at least 6,000 hours of project and program management experience. A secondary degree holder requires at least 6,000 hours of project management experience and 10,500 hours of program management experience. You don't need to have been a program or project manager to apply. Time spent as a program consultant providing expertise and guidance on program management also qualifies. The cost to attain the certification varies depending on your PMI membership status. It is recommended that you become a PMI member. For PMI members, the cost is $800, and for non-PMI members, it is $1,000. Additional costs include the PMI membership, which is optional but beneficial. It costs $129 annually with a $10 application fee. Next, let's go through a brief overview of testing specifics. The test format is computer-based, consisting of 170 multiple-choice questions. The duration is 4 hours, with breaks provided during the test. The program management domains covered in the test are strategic program management, program lifecycle, initiating, planning, executing, controlling, and closing, benefits management, stakeholder management, and governance. Here is the step-by-step guide to signing up for the PMI PgMP certification. Join PMI to receive member benefits including discounted exam fees. Apply online at the PMI website and pay the membership fee. Create an account on the PMI website. Complete the PgMP application form detailing your educational background and professional expertise. You must agree to the PMI Code of Conduct to qualify for an account. PMI reviews the application to ensure it meets the eligibility criteria. This process can take up to 10 days for initial review, but PMI often provides a reply within 1 to 2 days. A panel of certified PgMP holders will review your application. This step may take up to 4 weeks. Pay the exam fee once your application is approved. Schedule the exam through the PMI website or directly with Pearson VUE. Prepare for a possible audit, which requires validating your submitted projects or programs. Review the PgMP exam content online and PMI Standards for Program Management 5th edition. Consider taking prep courses, participating in study groups, or using PMI's resources like books and practice exams. Arrive at the testing center or log into the online platform on the scheduled date. Complete the exam within the allotted 4-hour time frame. Preliminary results are available immediately after completing the exam. You will be able to view your official results posted on the PMI website within a few days. Finally, let's explore some additional information to keep in mind. You must renew your PgMP certification every 3 years. You will need to earn 60 Professional Development Units (PDUs) in program management to renew your certification. PMI offers various resources to help you, including the PgMP Handbook, practice guides, and online communities. These resources provide support and networking opportunities. Joining local PMI chapters can provide additional support and resources. Local chapters offer networking opportunities and resources to help you prepare for the PgMP exam and advance your career. In this video, you learned that PMI PgMP certification validates advanced program management skills, enhancing career prospects. Requirements include a bachelor's degree or equivalent with 6,000 hours in project and program management, a secondary degree with 6,000 hours in project management, and 10,500 hours in program management or related roles. Application involves creating a PMI account, completing the PgMP application, and undergoing eligibility and panel reviews. The computer-based exam has 170 multiple-choice questions on strategic program management, lifecycle, benefits, stakeholder management, and governance. Certification costs $800 for PMI members and $1,000 for non-members, with renewal every 3 years. Resources include access to the PgMP handbook, practice guides, and support through online communities and local PMI chapters for exam preparation and networking.